What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a YouTube video or a much shorter type of video for this one. So my grand asked me to build a chicken coop, I think it's called, for her. So that's what I'm doing today. And I thought that would make a very cool video. So yeah, I'm not really gonna say much. Just gonna fucking do the thing. Hey, so yeah, let's get the thing going, me bro. What's up? This is day 2 of the thing I was doing, which is building the chicken coop. I don't know why I said it like that. But yeah, um, I'm almost done with it. Almost there. Just have a few touches I have to do, and then I'm pretty much done. I feel like I need at least 2 more days and then I'll be good. So let me show you the thing. This is big enough for a chicken to fit in, a couple of chickens. So the idea is there's gonna be a first floor here and then a second one here and then 1, 2, 3, and then it's gonna be closed at the top. There's some shit I haven't locked in place here, so I need to do that. I might even take this out, it's unnecessary at this point. But yeah, this is as much as I've done so far. So let me get back to the thing. Not bad for a guy who's building his first ever chicken coop. That's as much as I've managed to do so far. Pretty good, né?
I've been feeling pretty lonely. I've been feeling pretty lonely. Oh, oh, yeah. I've been feeling pretty lonely. Oh, I've been feeling lonely. I'm out of the club, the mummies are fine. They drinking the wine and the brothers inside. You know, like always, Davey steady stalking like Myers. Just got out my brother's Legend 45, the one that's famous for slaughter. You know he done caught a couple bodies in this here exact spot. I'm feeling kinda nervous, like always there is a fear. I always mix the two and it best suits me. Sipping on that black 440 just to make it go away. Add a dash of old tobacco just to get a little faded. I see the women but they no longer excite. If it were up to me, I'd be at home right now. Shawty stroking my hair, but I've been too busy trying to get ahead. I passed on a couple real those ones for some instant head. Now I spend most of my nights alone, wondering what if we might meet so many times. My feelings for girls sometimes are non-existent, but anyways, we still at the club. I take another sip, my eyes meet with the sky. My mind like, is this really life? We never really go inside, we steady lurking too in the parking lot, waiting for a baddie to walk by, flag it down like, hey, what's up? That's how we get the number in. Ask her to come over. Yeah, been called out a few times for being fake player. You ain't even all that, boy, you can't even handle all that she said, and that with no cap. It puzzles me how people enjoy this nightlife, cause this here ain't it, it does feel good in the moment. I won't lie, but it still feels the same once the night is all gone and reality sinks back in again. Yeah. I've been feeling pretty lonely. Oh. I've been feeling pretty lonely. I've been feeling pretty lonely. Oh, I've been feeling lonely. Oh,
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.